Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZAP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZAP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Once you see the home page, tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see the AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro. Tap on it to select it. Now find the option called Notifications and Reminders and tap on it. And here we have a list of different types of notifications. First, let's tap on Incoming Call. And here we can enable the notifications for incoming calls on your phone. To do it, tap on the switch next to Incoming Call Alerts. Come on, disappear. Like that. Tap on Got It. Tap on OK. And once you enable the Incoming Call Alerts, you may see this message right here. If you see it, it means you have or you need to allow the required permissions for the notifications to work. So you need to tap on this message, tap on allow, and keep tapping on it like this to allow the permissions. And the last one will be DND permission. And if you tap on it, tap on go to settings, it will redirect you to this page. Scroll down through this page, find the ZAP application, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then go back to the app. And now you won't see this message right here. It means that all of the required permissions are allowed and the notification should work. And again, you can enable or disable the notifications. You can also enable or disable the option to show the contact information. And the last option you can enable or disable is the delay alerts. If you enable it and set the delay, for example, to something like 30 seconds, basically what it does is that if somebody calls you on your phone, the watch will wait 30 seconds after you receive the call until it will alert you about it. Okay, let's go back to the notifications and reminders and then tap on app alerts. And here, as you can see, we have another warning message. We need to allow the access to notifications. So tap on can't access notifications, tap on OK. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. As you can see, we have two lists, allowed and not allowed. And on the not allowed list, we have the ZAP application. Tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, go back. Now the ZAP app will be on the allowed list and we can go back to the ZAP application. We don't have the warning message anymore and we can enable the notifications for the applications. And once you enable the app notifications, you will see the list of apps on it. And basically what you can do is you can enable specific or other notifications for these specific applications or disable them if you like to by tapping on the switch next to the app to enable or disable the notifications for it. You can also enable or disable the option to notify you only when the screen on your phone is turned off. Okay, let's go back. Let's tap on incoming SMS, and here we can enable the notifications for the messages. And you can tap on the switch and it should be working. If you have the warning message right here, of course, you need to tap on it and allow the required permission. And once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications at this point. So we can close the application. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.